Hello everyone, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to discuss about similar shapes, and in this particular video I will tell you the properties of similar shapes, how to identify whether the two given shapes are similar. Okay, so I have drawn here two triangles and we need to check why they are similar to each other, why the small triangle is similar to the big triangle. The size is different, but still we say it as a similar shape. They both are similar. What makes it look similar? Let's check this using ruler. You can see here BC is 4 centimeter and YZ is 8 centimeter. This 4 centimeter BC and YZ 8 centimeter, they have some link with each other. If you see this 4 centimeter, if you double this 4, then you will get 8, right? So if you multiply 4 with 2, you will get 8 centimeter. Similarly, the diagonal length AB is similar to XY. So 5 times 2, you are going to get 10 centimeter. If you see the AC side 3 centimeter, XZ is 6. That means here 3 multiply 2, if you do, you will get 6. So in overall, what we can understand with this, the small triangle is double. Okay, when you double it, you will get the big triangle. It can be double, it can be 3 times, it can be 4 times, it can be 5 times. So whenever you see the other shape, which is second time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, if you get that value, then we can say they are similar. Okay. In other words, if we want to calculate, for example, let me erase this. We can also see the corresponding side ratios. We can also find out the corresponding side ratios. For example, AB divided by XY. So what is the answer I'm going to get? 5 divided by 10. The answer is 1 by 2. Again, BC divided by YZ, because they both are corresponding sides. That's why I have colored it with blue color to show you that BC is the corresponding side of YZ. So now let us substitute the values. BC is 4, YZ is 8. So if you divide this, you are again going to get half. Then AC is the corresponding length of XZ. AC value is 3, XZ is 6. If you divide this, you are going to again get 1 by 2. So for all three values, you are going to get a same value. So when you get the same value, when you find the corresponding sides and find the ratio of that, when you get the same value, that means both the shapes are similar. Okay, the corresponding side ratios, when you divide and check for all other sides, only one side is matching and other two sides are not matching, that means it is not similar. All three sides should match. All three sides, when you divide the ratio, you should get the same value. Then only you can say it is the shapes are similar. Okay, that's the first property. Second property, if I take the angle. What about the angle? If you see the angle here, angle B is 36 degree. Angle Y is also 36 degree. Now it's something strange for you, right? Because the bigger triangle is also having the same angle. How is it possible? So if you are not sure about it, let's check by using protector. If we keep this protector here, you will see that this is 36 degree, almost 36 degree. Let us keep this here. This is also 36 degree. So the theory works very well. Whatever angle is there B, the same angle is there for Y. So our second property says all three angles of the triangle or the shape should match, and then only we can say they are similar shapes. So here angle B is 36, angle Y is also 36, angle 54 is also 36, angle X is also 36, angle A is 54, angle X is also 54, angle C is 90 degree, angle Z is also 90 degree. So all the corresponding angles are matching. So we can say that the shapes are similar. If any one angle is not matching in this, we cannot say that they are similar shapes. So this is how we identify. The sides should match, the angles should match. Okay, and when you find the ratios of corresponding sides, that also should match. So these are the three things you can follow to check whether they are similar or not. Here the properties I have written. As I told you, AB divided by AC. The internal ratio of sides are same for both the triangles. AB divided by AC. If you do AB divided by AC, AB divided by AC. Let us do that here. AB divided by AC. AB value is 5 and AC value is 4. Similarly, I will do for the other triangle XY divided by YZ. You see here AB is corresponding side of XY and AC is corresponding side of YZ. So if you substitute these values 10 divided by 8 and again if you reduce this fraction you will get 2 times 5 10, 2 times 4 8. So you are going to get the same value, right? So that's the first property. Even though you do like this division of the same triangle sides, find the ratios like internal ratio of sides are the same for both the triangles. That's the first property. Second property, I already explained you about the corresponding sides. They must be equal, the ratios must be equal. And the third property is the angles also must be same for both the triangle. Angle B is matching with angle Y, angle A is matching with angle X, angle C is matching with angle Z. So these are the properties how to identify the similar shapes. In our next class, we will solve some questions, and in those questions you have to identify whether the shapes are similar or not.